We're going to replace the bumper, the rear bumper on my Honda Pilot because it's so rusted. This one has surface rust only from the junkyard. I think I bought it for like $20. So first we're going to remove the splash shield here, and then there's a bolt in here. Then we could pry this bumper this side out, and then there are few smaller bolts down there that holds it into the trunk. So we're going to remove these screws that holds the splash shield. There's two of them, one there and one over here. Those two screws around. It's loose now, so we're gonna loosen the screw over here. Loosening the screw over here. This is how it looks down here. I just realized that there's really nothing that holds this rear bumper cover. Yep, they're gone. It's not that bad though. It's the upper part is still solid. Yeah, it's only the lower portion that's really bad. So when I was able to find one that's in good shape, I'll just grab it. Yep. Yeah, it's very rare to find a good or a decent rear bumper support bar on the Honda Pilot. Next, once we got the screws on the fenders, we're gonna remove that screw over here and over here. Yep, and over here. I don't know why there's only three though. You could only access them down here. There's a screw and a 10 mm bolt in here that you need to take out the rear bumper. Slowly prying this out. And, yep, nothing holding there. You can see here. That one, nothing holding there. We'll try the other side. Got it out, and yeah, these things just keeps on rotating until they broke off from this plastic. So yeah, I don't need to restore them, they're bad. There's the rust. So yeah, this still holds fine. Just that the lower portion, yeah, this one's supposed to hold them, but they usually get rusted so bad that we're getting the upper bolt or nut. It's the 14 mm. Yep. Then we're going to get the lower one. I think this is a 17 mm. This is the lower 17 mm bolt. This is how it looks like without the bumper, and we could clearly see yep, it's still holding. I put some rust preventer there, and it did slow down the rust, but there's still some rust popping. We got the rear bumper support back. There's no rust on this one, and I put some rubber coating spray on this one. This one too. And the one down here. So going to put some metal on this one because the plastic area is already damaged. So this one will actually hold it. It will not turn. Got the rest of the bumper replaced. And this is how it looks like, including the spare tire. Yep, not that bad though.